Hello everyone, I'm Charmaine Singleton, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a headband with double crochet off mesh stitch. So let's begin. Now first make a slip knot. Insert your hook in the slip knot, chain 14 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hold on to this chain and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your plus 5. And do a double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over, leave one chain, insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Chain 1, yarn over and insert your hook in the next chain and make a double crochet. In this mesh pattern, we do not use the last chain. This is to give our pattern a clear edge. Now we are coming to the end of the first row. Do not insert your hook in the last chain or the slip knot. This does not apply to all patterns. Now turn your work and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you don't need to leave one chain and insert your hook. Now you'll insert your hook in the square and do a double crochet. So after the first row, this is even more simple. Just insert your hook in the square. Now we are coming to the end of the second row. Now this is how your pattern will look. There is a slight difference between the mesh and the off mesh pattern, which I will be showing you after we complete this row. We will then compare both the patterns. I am doing this pattern very slowly and hope you can understand it much better. I have begun this pattern with 7 squares, and 7 squares is what you should have in every row. We have completed the row, and now it's time for you to see the comparisons. This is the double crochet mesh stitch, which you can see all the double crochet is in a line and the gaps are also in a line. In the off mesh, it won't be the same. Please refer to the earlier tutorial for reference. This is the double crochet off mesh pattern. In this pattern, we have done the double crochet directly into the square boxes. You can see the double crochet, then there's a block, and then again a double crochet, which is not one over the other. Now after 36 rows, now I'm attaching a elastic rubber band with a crochet hook. A red color elastic hairband would be the best choice, but I didn't have one, so I'm just doing it with a black one. Now this side I have completed attaching with a hook. Now the next side I will be using a tapestry needle for joining. In this tutorial I am displaying both the methods. Keep a longer strand of yarn and with the help of your crochet hook, pull through your stitches. Then you can just snip off the extra yarn. Now adjust your band. Wow, now this headband is finally ready. Now we'll make a very cute puff stitch flower. First I'll make a magic ring. Then you insert your hook in the magic ring. And now I'm going to make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now pull the yarn and close your magic ring. Now insert your hook in the first chain, yarn over and pull through to get a circle. Now chain 2, then yarn over and pull through to the height of the 2 chains. This will be repeating 4 times. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Chain 2, insert your hook in the same space and slip stitch. This is your first petal. Now this will be your last petal. This is the way I've attached the puffler. I just tied it to the mesh. You can even use a tapestry needle to attach this. I have just tied few knots and it looked really cute. Now just snip off the extra yarn and this beautiful headband is ready. The last thing that I did was to add a little bead in the between of the flower. You can see in the earlier flowers. This looks so beautiful. Try it and let me know in the comment below. If you like this tutorial, consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and I will meet you in the next tutorial.